Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo baby kit stand with square legs. The Kupo baby kit stand is all aluminum with a load capacity of 22 pounds. This is the same as the C stand but less than half the weight. Being the alpha dog of the kit stand pack, Kupo spared no detail on this pure breed. Featuring nut and bolt construction, no rivets to break. Twin leg bracing for increased stability. Top pin welded to the top riser for added strength and durability. Metal brake castings and metal knobs for increased strength. One of its square legs features a leveling leg, giving you the ability to level it on stairs, curbs, or uneven terrain. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.